For as long as I can remember, I've been trying to find a comfortable pair of low-top motorcycle riding boots. I think I might have found them.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Reviews. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Stormhawk riding boots from Icon. Now, I want to give you a little background. I have for years been wearing these Tourmaster boots. They're the touring boot, they're leather, and they're okay. They offer good, they're relatively comfortable when you're riding, not very comfortable for walking. They offer good protection. They are waterproof. A couple things I don't like about them. They're a little bit of a pain to put on, take off every time. You got a zipper, which I like, and Velcro, which is okay. But they are not comfortable to walk in, and the sole of the boot is pretty slippery. If you put your foot down on wet pavement, like say you're coming to a stop, or maybe you're trying to back walk your motorcycle, your feet can go right out from under you. It's pretty annoying. So I've been in the market for a new pair of boots, and this time I wanted to get something that's more of an everyday riding boot, not necessarily a long distance touring boot. I wanted something waterproof. I wanted something with a lower top to it, so that just above the ankle, and something that had good traction, but something that's a little more comfortable to walk in, and maybe even a little more attractive. But my other criteria was I absolutely do not want to have to lace up the boots every time I go for a ride. I just don't like dealing with shoelaces or bootlaces. And so I was doing some research, I guess a month and a half ago, and I stumbled across this Stormhawk boot by Icon. Now, I have never owned any Icon gear. I should also mention that Icon is not sponsoring this video. They didn't pay me anything, and they did not send me these boots to try or to review. I purchased these online, and I am going to tell you a little bit about what I think of them. Now, this is the Stormhawk boot from Icon, and this is basically, what it looks like. It's, I think it's a pretty nice looking boot, actually. It's very industrial looking, very heavy duty looking, very durable looking. It has a very thick sole, rubber sole, that looks to me like it's going to last a long time. And I've been wearing these for maybe a little over a month. Every time I've ridden for the last month, and whenever I got these, I've worn these every time. And I really do like them. I think they're the most comfortable motorcycle riding boot that I've ever owned. I like the lower top. But here's the cool part. The best part is they don't have laces. Instead, they've got this very unique, I think it's called a BOA or BOA, a BOA system. And this must be a company they've partnered with, because this method of lacing up your boots or fitting your boot to you is used on a lot of ski gear, is my understanding. And there's a couple of things I love about it. Number one is when it is in the unlocked position, you have full access to the opening to put your foot in. It's very easy to slip these on. There's also a couple of little pull tabs on the sides where you can pull the boots on easily. And then once you've got your foot in the boot, you basically just snap this, push this button down, and you start turning it. Hear that? And as you turn it, it's tightening these laces. It's kind of reeling it up on a reel. Until you get it to the perfect tightness. And it does it uniformly all across the front of the boot. It's ingenious, and it works great. You can get it to exactly the level of fit that you need for your foot or your leg. and it's just brilliant. I love this system, and in fact, I don't know if Icon makes any other boot models that use this, but if they do, I would buy them. That would be a big selling point for me. I really, really like this. The other thing good about this BOA system is it's very easy to use with gloves on. So it's so large and has kind of a rubbery feel to it. It's very easy to pull it out or to snap it in and twist it if you need to when you're riding. You don't have to take your gloves off. So what else can I tell you about this boot? Well, first of all, I think it comes in 3 different colors. I know it comes in this, I think they call this gray, and it also comes in a black, and then there's another color, and I honestly don't remember off the top of my head. I think it's kind of a brownish color, like a dark brown or medium brown. But I just think it's a great looking boot. It is waterproof. It has a liner inside that's waterproof, and it comes with a pretty comfortable insole. I usually have to replace the insole in my boots with like a memory foam insole. I haven't even done that with this boot. It's been pretty comfortable just to walk in. Now, I haven't walked, say, a mile in these, so I can't testify to that. But the little bit of walking that I have done, like let's say I stop to get gas and I have to walk from the gas pump into a convenience store or something like that. The little bit of walking I've done, it's very comfortable. It's much more comfortable than the Tourmasters. And I just really excited about them. Like I say, not sponsored. I'm not an affiliate. There's no commission. You can look these up online. You can order them from, I'm sure, anybody that sells Icon gear, I'm sure, would be able to sell you these. And I think I paid $185 for this pair of boots. So they're in that upper tier of what I've spent on motorcycle boots. And the last pair I tested, the soles were very, very slippery on wet pavement. This thing has got a sole on it that it's sticky. I mean, I've worn it. I've tested it on wet pavement, and it seems to do a great job. So it also offers good protection. There's good toe box protection. There is some ankle protection, but it's not a stiff like a piece of metal or plastic in there. It's more of a thick padding, but it does have additional ankle protection, padded protection. There's I think a little bit of reflectivity in the back. There's like an Icon logo back here that's reflective, and maybe some other parts I'm not sure what are reflective, but very, very excited about these boots, as you can tell. Now, let me know in the comments down below, do any of you own these Stormhawk boots from Icon? Or do you have other Icon boots that you like? Or what boots do you wear that you like? Put it in the comments down below so everybody can benefit from it. And like I say, this is just a pretty cool item, and check them out online if you're interested. Now, if you liked this video, please do me a favor, click that thumbs up. That really does help my rankings with YouTube. Very much appreciated. And I'll see you on the next Cruiseman's Reviews.